Okay, we have a major AI update, ladies and gentlemen, because Higgsfield AI just launched something called the Higgsfield Supercomputer. And oh my god, guys, this is literally going to change your content creation game forever. Now, I have been testing this for the past few days, and let me tell you guys, this thing is insanely good. What they basically did is combine some of the best state-of-the-art AI models into one single platform. All you need to do is give it a simple idea of the kind of video you want to create, and it handles the rest automatically. And when I say top-tier AI models, I'm talking about Claude Opus 4.6, Gemini 3.1, ChatGPT 5.5, Nano Banana, Seedance 2.0, and more, all working together in one place. Here's the crazy part. Once you give it your basic idea, it automatically uses Claude to enhance the prompt, structure the video according to your style, choose the best AI model for the job, generate the scenes, create the voiceover, sound effects, audio, transitions, literally everything. You don't need to worry about anything at all. All you need is a prompt. That's it. Isn't that insane? The examples you're seeing right now were all created using the Higgsfield Supercomputer, and this is exactly why it's going viral all over social media right now. And honestly, if you are a complete beginner and you don't know where to start with AI content creation, this is probably one of the best starting points for you. Because whether people like it or not, AI is the future, and the sooner you learn how to use these tools, the bigger advantage you'll have. Trust me, guys, if you ignore AI right now, you're probably going to regret it later. So without wasting any more time, let's dive straight into the video, and let me show you exactly how this works. Now, to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. Once you do that, it will take you to this interface. Now from here, all you need to do is click on the supercomputer option, and then it will open up this interface. Now this is where all the magic happens. As you can see, there are multiple built-in presets that you can start using instantly. So if you wanted to create UGC ads, you can choose this preset. If you want cinematic videos, you can go with this one. Or if you want anime or animated style videos, then you can choose this one. It completely depends on the type of content you want to create. For now, I'll just keep it on the default setting. Now here comes the best part. If you click over here, you'll be able to see all the available models. These models basically help plan your entire video, including the script, scenes, and shot structure. Personally, I'll be going with Claude Opus 4.6 because honestly, that's one of the best options right now. And then if you click on this plus icon, you can upload your own elements like images, reference videos, products, characters, or anything else you want to include in your project. Now moving to the skills section, you can see there are tons of different skills available. You can manually choose the one that matches your style, or if you don't want to do all that, you can simply leave it as it is and let the AI automatically select the best skill based on your video style. And finally, over here, if you click this option, you'll see two different modes. The first one is auto run, which basically means the AI will handle the entire process automatically once you hit generate. And the second one is confirm before running. In this mode, after every single step, the AI will ask for your approval before moving to the next stage. For now, I'll keep it on auto run because honestly, I just want the AI to take care of everything for me. So now, let's actually create something. Let's make a virtual try-on video. I'll quickly type the prompt, and then for the clothing image, I'll upload this image right here. And that's literally it. Now just hit generate and sit back and relax. As you can see, it has already started analyzing everything automatically. Now before this, if you wanted to create something like this, the process was honestly very complicated. First, you had to come up with an idea, then you had to generate all the images manually. And not just that, you also had to make sure every single scene matched visually, so the overall video looked consistent. And if you were using a character, then maintaining character consistency across all the scenes was another huge challenge. After that, you had to convert every single image into video one by one. And again, you had to make sure the motion looked smooth, the scenes connected properly, and the continuity was maintained throughout the entire video. But now, you don't need to worry about any of that anymore. Just give it your idea, choose your preferences, and let Higgsfield do everything for you. It automatically uses all its built-in AI skills and advanced models to make sure the scene continuity, character consistency, visual quality, transitions, and everything else are maintained perfectly without you even needing to think about it. And this is the final output. What did I tell you guys? I told you it would take care of the rest, and boy, it actually did. Just look at this. What did I have to do? Literally nothing. I simply uploaded my image, gave it a basic idea, and it handled everything else automatically. Isn't this insane? And honestly, I'm genuinely impressed because everything worked so perfectly. Just look at how realistic this looks. I'm honestly shocked at the quality. If I had to create something like this manually, it would easily take me hours of work. I would have to generate scenes one by one, maintain consistency, edit everything together, fix transitions, and spend so much time polishing the final result. And without AI, creating something at this level would probably cost thousands of dollars because you would need to hire an entire creative agency. But now, you're literally just one prompt away. What a time we're living in, guys. Okay, let's try one more example. This time, I'm going to select the animated cartoon skill. For the model, I'll keep it on Claude, and for the prompt, I'll ask it to create an Instagram reel based on this idea. And then, just hit generate. Now, once again, all you need to do is sit back and let it work its magic. Now, I should mention that this process can take a little bit of time depending on your video complexity, duration, and the overall style you choose. So you need to be a little patient because remember, it is literally handling the entire workflow for you automatically. And honestly, I think the wait is completely worth it. Now, this is the final output. Wow. This looks absolutely amazing. Honestly, this is the future, guys. Now everyone can become a creator. It doesn't matter whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced professional. If you have an idea, if you have a vision, you can now turn it into reality. Isn't that awesome? So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, try it out for yourself, and let me know in the comments what you guys think. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.